Hello students, welcome to our class. This lesson we will learn the motor controller low voltage power supply circuit troubleshooting related content. 1. Work preparation. As an important part of the circuit of the motor controller, the low voltage power supply circuit of the motor controller is self-evident. It is directly related to whether the motor controller can operate normally, control accuracy, stability, protection function and other performance. We will operate from the 5 steps of operation preparation before the overhaul: operation safety setting, basic inspection and preliminary judgment, measurement and diagnosis, and recovery of vehicles and stations. The tools and equipment used include Geely EV450 vehicle, a set of vehicle maintenance combination tools, automotive plastic warping board, automotive multipurpose junction box, multimeter, automotive diagnostic instrument, insulating gloves, etc. 2. Work safety settings. 1. Pull the quarantine bar during vehicle maintenance. Divide the maintenance work area, and remind non-staff to avoid entering. 2. Place high voltage safety warning signs. Remind people to pay attention to the danger of high voltage electricity to prevent the occurrence of accidental electric shock accidents. 3. Check the fire extinguisher. 4. Install the wheel stop. 3. Basic inspection and preliminary judgment. 1. Install 4 sets in the car. It generally includes seat covers, steering wheel covers, gear shift rod covers, foot pad paper, etc., which are used to protect the internal parts of the vehicle from wear and pollution. Two. Verify the fault symptom. Operate the car starting process. Find the motor cannot start phenomenon. Record the vehicle fault phenomenon. Three. Connect the car fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the ignition switch of the car in the off state. Connect the receiving head of the diagnosis instrument to the car. Open the diagnostic machine host. Clear the historical fault code. Read the fault code information and record. Read the motor startup related data stream. The read result indicates that the P113600 low voltage output is disconnected from the battery. 4. Preliminary analysis. 1. Insufficient battery voltage. If the battery level is lower than the minimum voltage required to start, the motor will not start properly. Battery status and charge can be checked through the Battery Management System, BMS. 2. Motor controller fuses IF18, EF32, and battery positive cylinder fuses are blown. 3. Motor controller low voltage power supply circuit line contact failure. Any of these problems can cause the motor to fail to start the vehicle. 4. Measurement and diagnosis. 1. Install a 3-piece set outside the car. Pull the engine room lock switch to open the front engine room. Lay fender cloth and front grille cloth. Avoid scratches on car paint when carrying out vehicle maintenance. 2. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. 1. 0 calibration of the multimeter. Insert the red pen and black pen of the multimeter into the corresponding jack. Set the multimeter to the resistance level. Connect the red and black pen, and the multimeter displays 0, and the multimeter is normal. 2. Connect the red watch pen and the black watch pen to the positive and negative terminals of the battery respectively, and measure the battery voltage to 1239 volts, and the voltage value is within a reasonable range. 3. Check motor controller fuse EF32. 1. Operate the start switch to make the power mode to off. 2. Unplug the fuse EF32 of the fuse relay box in the front engine room, and check whether the fuse EF32 is blown. 3. The multimeter is adjusted to the resistance level, and the resistance value of the fuse is measured. The measurement result is less than 1 ohms, and the fuse is normal. 4. Check fuse EF18. 1. Operate the start switch to make the power mode to off. 2. Unplug the fuse EF18 of the indoor fuse electrical box, and check whether the fuse EF18 is blown. 3. Set the multimeter to the resistance level, and measure the resistance value of the fuse. The measurement result is, and the fuse is found blown. 4. Replace the fuse. Test and start the vehicle. The instrument appears ready light. The fault has been eliminated. The fault cause is fuses EF18 blown. 5. Restore the vehicle and station. 1. Read the fault code information of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument and read the relevant data stream of the low voltage power supply circuit of the motor controller. The reading result is still no fault code, and the data flow is normal. Remove the receiver of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the main engine of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument, and put it back in its place. 2. 3-piece recycling car. Close the front hatch cover. 3. Recycle 4 sets in the car. Smart keys are stored in the right place. 4. Recycle wheel stop. 5. Recover high-pressure safety warning signs. Reclaim quarantine. At this point, the low-voltage power supply circuit failure of the motor controller causes the motor to fail to start the maintenance and measurement operation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you in your daily work.